Hi all, greeting of the days. Hope you are all doing good. This time I would like to share my experience in compiling a welding work execution scheme for pipeline work with part diameter 20 inch with a total kilometer point 5.700 kilometer point. Then we divide into two split areas. Split area 1 starting from kilometer point O to kilometer point 2.800, and split area 2 starting from kilometer point 2.800 to kilometer point 5.700. The space between one welder group and other welder group is 0.700 kilometer point. Total overall joint 597 joints. Every 5 length 11.5 meters. We target to be complete within 21 days, meaning that in one day we must produce 24 joints per day, taking into account the condition at that time. We prepared 8 groups of welder, consists of welder, 5 fitter, helper, with the supporting equipment, complete with equipment and tool, and 8 accessories, with a total target of 24 joints. In one group, welder must produce 3 joints per day, but we may need to exceed the target with an average total production in one day 28 joints per day, so we reach ahead of schedule. Okay, that's general of the generals of this work execution schemes. For more detail, let me discuss and keep watching this video until it finishes. Okay, see you to discuss it more further. Hi all, greeting of the days. Today I would like to share my experience in compiling work execution schemes for pipeline works for 520 diameter, for 520 diameter. So here it is, work execution schemes, as I mentioned in introduction video. So in this work execution schemes, I divided total kilometer point for this work execution schemes is 5.700 kilometer points. So this work execution schemes is prepared to accelerate work progress, and the time that we must speed up our progress to catch up the schedule. So here it is, the work execution schemes. In this work execution schemes, total kilometer point, as I said before, is 5.700 kilometer points, and I divided into 2 split area. Each split area starting for the split area 1, starting from kilometer point O up to kilometer point 2.800, and for the 2 split area starting from 2.800 until kilometer point 5.700. Okay, so each split area, any space 700 between, yes, 700 between, 700 meters means 700 meter between, yes, you could see here, okay, as seen on the screen. So, and I prepare each group welder to catch up this progress. So one group welder I prepare, you could see here, yes, I prepare welder, fitter, helper, and any supporting equipment and tool to support the work progress. Yes, you could see for one group welder, I prepare welder two personnel or two men, fitter one man, helper one man. This is I prepare fire extinguisher for safety precaution actions. Yes, it is a 1 unit chain block with capacity 3 ton. I prepare 1 unit hammer with capacity 2 kilogram. I prepare two units, and then any supporting equipment and tool. I prepare welding machine with capacity 500 ampere. I prepare 1 unit grinding machine, grinding machine 4 in. I prepare 1 unit grinding machine 7 in. I prepare 1 unit cutting tool. I prepare 1 unit. I targeted for one group welder is 3 joint line up per day. 3 joint line up per day. This is to catch up as overall progress per day. 24 joint line up per day. Yes, and that's why I divided for this kilometer point and for to split area. Yes, I targeted to find 24 joint line up per day. So it should be achieved for one group welder is 3 joint line up per day. Okay, so this is same also for other group welder. Yes, I prepare with the same personnel and with the same equipment and tool to support group welder. Group welder. Yes. Okay. This is any 8 group welder to catch up to find the progress 24 join per day lineups. Yes. So each group must be find or must be catch up the progress 3 joint line up per day. So this is the breakdown for this work execution scams. Total kilometer point 5.700 kilometer point, 5 length average 11.5 meter. So the total joint become 495.7. yes, and then we plus with one joint connection in the X joint with other connection. This is additional work. This is additional work. So I must add it with one joint plus. Yes. So the total overall joint is 596.7. Should be rounded, become 197 joint. So target joint for days 24 joint line up. Okay, so and then so the total schedule we need to complete these targets become, this is you could check here, you could check formulation inside the cell. Yes, this is F39 divided with F40. Yeah, for F40. F39 is the total joint, and F40 is target joint per day. So the total schedule is 20.7 days. Rounded is become 21 days. Yes. So this is any other supporting equipment and light vehicle to support this work execution. We need for speed 1, starting from kilometer point O until kilometer point 2.800, we need one excavator, one pipe trenching, one pipe trenching skids, two unit tripod, case backhoe. For this, for both of discrete area is 1 unit. Pickup vehicle for both of discrete area is 1 unit. Yes, okay. This is also for the speed 2. Yes, starting from 2.800 until 5.700. We need 1 unit excavator, 5 trenching skid 1 unit, tripod 2 unit, case backhoe. This is this is all together with the speed 1 is 1 unit. Pick up all together with speed 1 is 1 unit. Okay. So this is the sequential work execution scheme that I compiling to speed up the progress. So the progress so we can speed up the progress as a schedule. Okay, so hopefully this work execution scheme shall be useful for you. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.